Yeah. Try out. Maybe need to buy different brand. I bought from the veggie market. I feel like all I ever do here is to go to supermarkets, but actually I'm having quite a lot of fun. It's like to look around and see what they have. And honestly, there's like so many things that I need to get. So yeah, this is like my third or fourth day going to the supermarket. Just adulting, I guess. It's windy. Look, the reason why I let my bangs grow is because I heard it's a very windy town. So when it does this, that's just how my bangs are, and then I can just swoop it up. But I'm not used to having these bangs. I do wonder if I'll get used to the wind. But it's nice, it's like summer and it's not hot. I could wear like a thick sweater out. It's still sunny. It's sunny but it's not hot. Meow meow. Meow meow. No, don't go away. Meow meow. Meow meow. Psst, 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 psst. wind is really strong. Holy shit. It's so cold. Hold on. Gotta put on my jacket first. It's so cold. Today is like the windiest day so far in Wellington since I arrived. I'm not too sure if the mic is even filtering out the wind noises well, but I just stopped by a cafe and gave them my CV. Also got a takeaway coffee from them, and so far from what I've heard, they said my CV looks good and they will keep in touch with me. Yeah, so they say possible starting time is somewhere around March. It's a bit later than I would like it, but they say if things work out well, they might call me in earlier. So I told them to like just keep me in mind, give them my CV. Hopefully, yeah, I mean, it's a good start, and I'm just happy and wanted to hop on here to share a bit of my emotions or excitement. But yeah, it's a good start. I'm happy about that. This is Kenya coffee. Very fruity. It's good.
I see you mean that.
Wait, the wind is so strong I can literally feel it pushing me over. Ooh, whoa. Look. Oh, it's so strong! Holy shit! Goodbye, hairline! I look like a mess. But yeah, I'm currently just walking around Lambton Quay to kill time so that I don't have to pay for the peak hour bus. Yeah, I already paid for a peak hour bus yesterday. Then today I'm like, nope, I'm just gonna take a stroll around the city, kill some time, and then I can take the bus after 7:30. It's quite nice looking around. Let's cross the street. But I can't go out. I'm afraid of spiders. There's a spider near the door's handle. Oh my god. But I want to see the orange cat. What do I do?
We didn't take a video of the show. Yes, that's the one.
This is
So this coffee, it says melon, but for you, I will tell you one more tasting note.
okay.
It tastes like tamarind.
Tamarind. Yum.
You.
Another great day so far. Just made some really nice conversation. Got to know some lovely people. I'm so happy. Can't stop smiling. So I just got back and I bought a new bottle of milk that I've never tried before. I don't know, I just wanted to do like a taste test, very random. But so far the only milk that I've tried is the brand that my housemate bought, which is from Pam's Value. So I was just curious to see what other brands of milk taste like, or whether there's even any difference. I'm kind of hungry, so I kind of felt like drinking some. I've got a glass here. It's kind of full. Oh. Smells very creamy. It indeed does taste different. It's a bit heavier. It tastes a little bit buttery, but heavier as in compared to the other milk that I've drank. But I wouldn't say it's like too heavy, so it still feels quite fresh. It's quite nice. Oh, I think drinking this with the Milo will be very good. That's it for my milk taste test. I might return to buying this, or maybe I can also try another brand next time. And we'll see if we'll do a taste test. Tuxedo Cat, see you again. God, where is he going? Where is he going? Meow. Meow. He ran there. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow.